Hello friends, how you doing? This is Romeo the Professor. So I've bought this coin right here before called IEX.EX network. So I'm going to buy it again. I have 3,360 of it, and it's a Ethereum ERC token coin. So my Ethereum is 97. So I'm going to see if I can buy a good amount on it on SushiSwap. Not SushiSwap, on Uniswap. Sorry, Uniswap. So I'm going to look for that coin. Um, you won't be able to find it unless you put the contract, but I teach my students how to do that. So I want to buy about four worth of ETH. I am Romeo the Professor. It's saying no liquidity, so I am Romeo the Professor. Before I do that, hold on. Let me flip it. Okay, no liquidity. Click. So it's no liquidity. So let me back out. Give me a second, people. So give me a second. Give me a second. So I want to buy again iExec network. Just give me a second. It's saying that it doesn't have liquidity. So I'm going to go to 1 inch. I'm going to go to 1 inch right here. And let me see if I could get it from 1 inch. And I have to make sure my fees are not that high. So we got ETH here. So I'm going to find the coin. You can put the contract if you know how to put the contract. I already should have it. Whoa, I don't. I don't have it here. I never put it. Wow. I never put it. So let me back out. Let me try again on Uniswap. I'm gonna try again on Uniswap. If it doesn't work on Uniswap, then I'll do 1 inch. So let's try it again. Let me do 2 and see what happens. It says better price on V2. So I'm going to pay a good 1%. Let's see if I do 3, if it still stays there. It's 2%. So I'm doing 2. Let's see if I do 4. 4 is negative 2%. Wow. So I'll be paying a good close to $400 worth of fees, but I want that coin, so it is what it is. Okay. I am Romeo the Professor. You can click the link in my email, enter your name and email for free. A to Z Investor will email you a lesson a day. I am Romeo the Professor. And yes, I love being on my bed. So now I'm relaxed. So this was a little difficult. I believe RLC token should do probably 100% within the next 2 weeks or more. So that's why I'm buying it. And as you can see, let's go back out and let's look at it. Okay, so my Ethereum dropped to 80,000 when it was at 96,000, and IEX.EC network went to 19,000. So let's see what it is. Okay, so right now we know we're on the Trust Wallet, people. Okay, I clicked the graph on top left, and I'm waiting for it to load on so you can see exactly what it is. Hold on. I am Romeo the Professor. Click the link in my bio for free. A to Z Investor will email you a lesson a day for free. Okay? So, bear with me. I'm trying to let it load so you can see what the coin is. It's taking a while because my internet is a little slow. Okay, so we see so far iEX.EC network token RLC did 72%. So the market cap is right around almost $1 billion. So it says iExec claims to have developed the first decentralized marketplace for cloud computing resources. So if we click on it, go to the website. So now we're going to go to their website. All right, I'm sorry it's taking a while to load up, but it will load up because I want you to see their website. Remember, follow me, subscribe. I am Romeo the Professor. You can always click the link in my bio and enter your name and email for free. A to Z Investor will email you a lesson a day for free. Okay, so bear with me because I want you to see this website. It's taking a while. If it doesn't launch in 15 seconds, then it looks like it's going to launch. Bear with me. So now remember, I have 60% of my portfolio in Ethereum, Binance, and Bitcoin. Okay, that's why I'm playing with these one-star coins. One-star coins is like SafeMoon, Doge, Elon, even Leash, and this coin 1EX.EC. Now Shiba, I don't consider it a one-star coin no more. I consider it a three-star coin because it has been listed on Crypto.com, and so because of that, I believe it's Shiba. So I'm trying to log onto the website. It's still taking a long time to log to the website. So um, if it takes another 15 seconds, then this will end. But you at least see the coin that I'm interested. I am Romeo the Professor. Remember, you can also enter your name and email, click the link, and A to Z Investor will email you a lesson a day. Thank you.